This is your last chance to save up to $200 on Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 ahead of launch.
Samsung's commitment. Free reservation promotion bags you a discount on Samsung's latest devices ahead of tomorrow's Unpacked event. The next Samsung Unpacked is just a matter of hours away. We're expecting the event to give us our first official look at the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 foldable phones, as well as the next gen Galaxy Watch 5. Though the devices haven't yet been unveiled, Samsung is giving early adopters the opportunity to save as much as $200 on the upcoming products. Commitment. Free. Before the devices are official. As soon as Unpacked kicks off on the 10th of August, this deal will expire, so you don't have long left to get in on the savings. Samsung fans in the US who reserve the latest devices before the 10th of August event will receive credits to spend at Samsung's online store. You'll get a $100 credit for reserving a next gen Samsung phone, $50 for the next smartwatch, or $30 for the next version of the Galaxy Buds. Better yet, if you go for all three devices, that credit will be increased to $200. In the fine print at Samsung's site, the company states that the reservation credit can be applied to pre-ordered devices at checkout if you buy 2 or more qualifying products simultaneously. This means you can save directly on the latest products if you're picking up a combination of phone, smartwatch and earbuds. If you're opting for the next gen phone, watch or buds alone, you won't be able to use the credit directly on that pre-ordered device, but you can spend it on supplementary purchases at Samsung's site to be eligible for the free credit promotion. All you need to do is submit your name and email address at Samsung's site. When pre-orders go live, presumably shortly after the 10th of August Unpacked event, you'll then be able to use the credit you receive. You're not on the hook to buy the devices even if you reserve them ahead of the event, so it's worth signing up for the promotion even if you're on the fence about getting the next flagship devices from Samsung.